today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, this is one of the single best videos I have made since a very long time. In this video, I am going to show you one indicator which predicted every single bottom up to the exact day. And it is predicting this bottom once again. I want to show it to you. I will talk my 100 Bitcoin trade, which is right now raking in $77,000 in a profit. It was already at 160 or so just an hour ago, but Bitcoin is unfortunately going down once again. I want to talk about this. I want to talk about the charts and everything. What's important right now to determine how low we will go, to determine what is going to happen to Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term. Guys, please smash up the like button to a new all-time high if you appreciate these videos. Barefoot from Formentera. This is actually my car. Sorry for the background noises. This here is my orange Bitcoin car. It's a Citroen. It's plastic. This is what the bear market is teaching me, right? Barefoot on an island with a plastic car while I have a McLaren and G-Class and Bentley and everything in Dubai. I'm barefoot here in Formentera, enjoying to drive around with this car. I think that's a good learning the bear market is teaching me right now. So now let's jump directly into the charts. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support. Before we are going into this insane chart, this is not the one. I want to show you one thing. The weekly candle just flipped bearish, actually flipped red a few minutes ago. Doesn't mean anything, but of course, if we want to see Bitcoin reverse, we need it to reverse very soon. As you see, we are below the 200-week MA, and the only time this happened was actually in 2020, where we closed slightly below, but the next week already pumped above. So I don't want to stay too long below a line. Bitcoin never stayed below for like more than 5 days. So definitely we need the price to reverse very, very soon. We are below the 11-year support, which is not beautiful, obviously. Yes, I am in this long position, but I want to see the Bitcoin price reverse very, very soon. Now let's talk about this indicator here. What you can see, this is the Pi cycle bottom crossover, or the Pi cycle bottom indicator. We have the same, let me quickly go back. We have a very similar thing. Look at this beautiful car. We have a very similar thing for bull market highs, and actually predicted the last bull market high of $69,000. Pi cycle indicator is actually two moving averages, which if you divide them by each other, they give you the value pi. So you take 350 period moving average and the 111 period moving average. It works for the bottom and for the top. Now, if we are going into this, you can see this one was flashing in 2015, giving us the exact Bitcoin bottom on the left-hand side. Now in the middle of the screen, you can see another flash exactly when we hit $3,150. And on the right-hand side, you can see this signal is right now looming to flash. It has not been flashing yet. But what you can see, it has to flash, it has to cross very, very soon. And in accordance to the previous cycles, this should be then the Bitcoin bottom. Now the question, of course, remains, when is this going to happen and at what price target is this going to happen? We could basically pump a little bit, go sideways, and it would still flash as the one moving average takes a little bit of time to reverse. So we don't necessarily need a price below the previous low of $17,500. We could still flash. But the thing is, in accordance to that indicator, the bottom is either not in yet, or we need a little bit more chopping around for the Bitcoin price. And now I want to know from you, of course, what are you expecting for Bitcoin? I personally expect that we at least hit the bottom already, or we are hitting it very, very soon, and that we are not going significantly lower. If we break lower, you can see here is another long order actually at $17,300, which would decrease my liquidation price to, I think, around $16,800. So of course, if Bitcoin breaks lower, I'm not going to give up on this trade. I have to scale it higher and higher, and it gets exponentially more expensive for me. That's okay, that's calculated in. If you want to do that, you can do it, but be aware that this is only for very experienced traders. It's not for someone who can't afford to lose the whole trade. This is a kamikaze kind of trade, a very, very risky thing. If you want to trade it, well, you might as well go down below. If you are experienced, claim the bonuses. I have up to $10,000 in free bonuses down below. If you click the link, you make your own account. After your initial deposit, you get these juicy bonuses, and you can use them for your free trade as well. Make sure you are experienced. If you are, take advantage of the volatile situation. Thank you so much for watching, and we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto, at the next barefoot episode of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, bye-bye.